So it's getting dark outside, so you can't really see much. And we just found this. I don't know what it is, though. I don't think it's anything. Yeah, it's not anything, so we're just gonna go to there. What is Jolly, Jojo? Yeah. So there's also something up there where I don't think you guys can see that because there's the street light in the way and a mailbox and stuff. That's okay. I'm making my way down to the garbage. That's all. Yeah, okay. Getting out of my car. Okay, so over there, can you guys see that? It's glinting a little. Okay, over here, there's just like a little trash can that can go in tin. It's very dirty. It's very nasty. Oh.
That's too nasty.
Yeah, that's too disgusting. Never mind. We would have taken it, but that's just gross. Ugh, disgusting. Just really nasty. Alright, never mind. Oh, over there, if I can get this camera to focus, is a water heater. So, and oh, look, there's a bunch of chairs too. Or at least two. Maybe only one. There's a chair here. So, we're probably going to take that, and then that just looks like a water heater. So, it's a little dirty, but that's okay. So, we're just probably going to slip that out and then take that. Yeah. Here's a light, like, right there. So, that's why it looks so, orange. Here. Alright, see you. Hey guys, so this is another pretty typical video of mine where we just go around a bunch of different neighborhoods and kind of look around for their garbage and stuff. As you can see from these pictures, we found a bunch of different like big electronic items as well as some household items. We also found a bunch of different lights and stuff like that, like little electronic household items that people were throwing out. I guess it's like nearing spring cleaning time too, so I'm thinking that more and more people are starting to get stuff to throw out once again, because it had lagged in the winter for whatever reason. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy that video, and if you did, please remember to leave a like down below, and also please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated for when I upload videos, and also hit that little bell icon because that'll give you notifications for when I upload videos, and feel free to share my videos if you want to with your friends and stuff, and also comment down below what you liked about my videos in case you liked it. I'll see you guys next week, and I hope that you guys have a good week. See ya. If you guys can see it yet, but it's like right there. In fact, my camera's focusing on that. I can see that they are. So that right there with the car seat and stuff like that is what we're going towards. So I think there's actually a Christmas light over there, or a Christmas tree over there, which, if there is, that's good, because those are always worth a lot, because it has, the lights and stuff. Yeah, there is a Christmas tree. So this is good. This is a good find. And then there's a couple of baby seats, 2 of them. And then in here there's another, like, wreath thing, Christmas-wise. And over there, I don't know what that is, but it's something. It looks metallic. So, and then these are always, the Christmas trees are always great because they have like a bunch of copper wiring via the Christmas tree, and the tree itself is normally tin, so that's also like really good. So it's a kind of like a double thing. You get a lot out of one of these if you do happen to find it. So we're just gonna go ahead and pick that up right now, and then we're gonna go. So yeah. So my mom's getting the car right now so that we can lead these bad boys up. And we don't know this is actually metal. It sounds like it. I don't know if okay, this isn't working out that well. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds... Hear that? Yeah, it sounds a lot like metal, but we don't know if they are, because when you feel them, it feels like plastic, like a really, really, like, solid plastic. I don't know how to describe it, but it sounds like metal, so I don't know what it is, but we're not gonna take that. because, like, if it's just plastic, then there's no point. So we're gonna take these and see if it does happen to be some kind of metal. Not sure though, and it's also very lightweight, so that wasn't that much anyway. So yeah, I just want to fill you in, and then my mom's bringing the car from over there right now, so yeah, okay. Right now, as you can see in the frame, there we found this like picture frame, which my mom thinks is aluminum, so we're just gonna go ahead and take that, and also this like big standing fan, you know, the ones that go like boo boo, yeah, that. So we're just gonna go ahead and take these two, just because. Actually, feeling it, it might be aluminum. Actually, I'm not sure, but we're just gonna go ahead and take it. All right, see ya. We're over here, and then we just found this thing. It's on top of, like, a bed. I'm gonna guess that's a bed with some sheets on there. And then over there are just some leaves and stuff. And then, this is like a concrete or stone little, like, pillar thing. I don't know, I think it might be, like, the base to, a bird feeder. And this is metal, and it's like one of those sundials, if you know. Oh, wait, I think these two go together. But they're one of those sundial things, and it's all just metal and stuff, and it's pretty heavy, too. So, yeah, that's all we found here. So, we're going right now to some of the, like, garbage, like, some garbage that we found over there. You can hopefully see that. I think my camera's dirty, so I'll be right back. I think these are all just wood or something like that, and this one's definitely wood. You can see that. So, yeah, we're probably not gonna take those. These are just some shoes. They don't really look that worn or anything. And those are worn. But there are some shoes and stuff that we found. And then there's a cord right there too, so we're just gonna look. We're gonna look under here for what that is. Oh, I think it's just connected to this, so I'm just gonna cut it with the covers, and then that's it. And then that's all we got from here. Right. So we found this thing. It's like a metal like shelving thing. Yeah, it's like a metal shelf thing. See that band down there? And then I don't know what that is, but it's something. And then here are just some Christmas ornaments. So we're just depending on what these are. They're actually, I think, plastic. So I don't know if they are plastic. Then we won't take them. These two for sure. And then down here there looks to be more of the Christmas ornaments. So yeah, that's all we found here. This in there, so we're just gonna take that. It looks like a pot. It's a cast iron pot, so that's good. Excuse the noises in the back. There are just children over there playing. That's fine. Okay, so we found a couple more of these tree things, which, of course, as you guys probably are tired of hearing by now, are great to take. Also, there's a vacuum cleaner right here, so that's really good. And then this table has, like, pieces of metal, so if we can easily take that out, we're gonna go ahead and take that too. But I don't know if it is. No, it doesn't look like it will be. But that's okay, because these two and that vacuum cleaner, and as well as the sign over there, that's probably more than enough that we can take from here. So, yeah, so these two trees, and then the vacuum cleaner, and that is basically what we got from here. And then we're going to look at what those are, and maybe take those as well, depending. Alright, see you. There's a person standing there, so, like, I don't know if I want to, like, go ahead and do that. Okay, so there's just like these things over here. That's pretty much it. Like, I think it's a compression thing. It's a compression thing. I don't know. And then one of those like cutter things. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if you guys can hear me, because like the noise in the background is kind of loud, but like before there were people there, so we couldn't really do anything. It was kind of embarrassing. But this and one of those edgers is what we found. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
That just want to show you. This is extremely heavy, by the way. So we're gonna have to try to lift it somehow. Alright, see ya.
Hey guys, just once again, really quick, I hope that you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope that you guys will remember to like subscribe and stuff to my channel, just because every little bit does help me. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. See ya.